BioWonder is the first biophilic building in India. It's one of the unique in nature, you can say.
Since its inception, there was a quite lot of enthusiasm in the market.
You see BioWonder from even a 2-kilometer distance, catches attention. Oh, what is this? This was a completely different building in Kolkata. Why Kolkata? If you talk about at large entire eastern region, you don't get to see this kind of structure.
BioWonder as a project is a first of its kind in Calcutta.
BioWonder देखिए पहले तो this area is a new CBD area. It is well connected with throughout the city.
In this particular micro market near Ruby Hospital or bypass, we hardly had any options. So we were pretty excited from day one, right from the conception, throughout the construction, and the day when the project was inaugurated. I think it was a very smooth journey.
This is just not any typical commercial building, brick and mortar which has been developed. They have tried to give it a different kind of experience from the time I drive along with my client to the driveway, to the atrium, to the lobby area. So it's very beautifully done. There is a welcome screen. So these are the thoughts, this very small minute thoughts which has been given just not to develop the building, just not to lease it out to the clients, but also to give them the experience.
This building has a lot of wow factor in terms of the greenery. I think I've not seen so much of vertical plantation in any building in Calcutta at least. So this is what has helped a lot of clients to move in, because they also want to be part of the green revolution which is going around the world in fact now.
Truly stands out to be a biophilic building in every way. So they have been drip irrigation system, and which has been managed by building management. And if you see the structure, like if it's very wonderfully visible from EM bypass itself.
BioWonder first thing is the building is unique in its nature क्योंकि आपको सबसे पहले इसमें natural light मिल रही है.
And I believe that played a very important role for the consumers who are looking at very premium building, and that is the reason which have driven them to BioWonder.
Operation of the lifts, the common areas, the parking, these are very important aspects. So most of the clients who have moved in actually, they're happy because all that has been at least readied to their satisfaction.
It gives you a complete bouquet. You've got a business center, you've got a boutique hotel attached to it, you've got a departmental store, and it gives you a complete package. And this is what it makes a unique project. And you'll not find many builders coming up with their own office in the building which they make, but this is also adds to the credibility of the building and to the developer as well.
Most of the people were looking at EHS compliance, which talks about environment, hazard, safety. BioWonder has incorporated all these prerequisites in its project.
As a building, they have kept in mind to meet all the compliances, not even the national, the international standards they have complied with.
They have considered almost most premium category products in building up this building.
A lot of people make good buildings, good looking buildings. Advantage here is that apart from looking good, the building operates well, and this will give a lot of value for actually end users as well as tenants who occupy this in the long term.
Client feedback has been excellent. I think work-life balance is very good. This particular BioWonder project has got all niche clients. There is a wonderful feeling because we do transactions all over Kolkata, but a good mix of niche clients are really missing.
I wish I had an office here. We are selling it to our clients. The clients are very happy now. We are getting very positive feedback and good vibes from our clients.
I think if I ever want office in Calcutta, this should be my choice. On the whole, I think the project has actually made a name for itself, and we are really proud about this.
किसी भी आदमी का एक सपना होता है तो BioWonder में आपकी ऑफिस है. It's a dream come true and nothing else.